Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the latest and greatest in top-selling products. Today, we're focusing on the most sought-after Emblems products on Amazon. These items have captured the attention and wallets of shoppers everywhere, and we're here to break down why they're flying off the virtual shelves. Without further ado, let's get started on our countdown of the best-selling Emblems products on Amazon. Stay tuned as we explore each item and uncover what makes them the favorites among consumers. Let's dive in. Introducing number 5 on our list of the best-selling emblems on Amazon, the Ford AA8Z99425228A nameplate in a stunning dark blue finish. This emblem, a genuine OEM part, is perfect for anyone looking to add an authentic touch to their Ford vehicle. Standing at 9x 3.5 inches, this nameplate isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. The rich, dark blue color exudes a sense of sophistication and style, blending seamlessly with your vehicle's design. Imagine the pride of having a genuine piece that elevates the look of your car to a whole new level. What makes this emblem truly remarkable? Its precision-engineered dimensions. Measuring 20.828 centimeters in length, 2.032 centimeters in height, and 9.144 centimeters in width, it's crafted to perfection. But don't let the numbers fool you. Its impact is anything but ordinary. Lightweight yet durable, weighing just 0.3 pounds, it's a testament to quality craftsmanship that won't weigh you down. Manufactured in China, this emblem reflects a global standard of excellence, merging the best of design and functionality. It's more than an accessory. It's an upgrade, a transformation that signifies attention to detail and an appreciation for authenticity. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone who values top-notch accessories, the Ford AA8Z99425228A nameplate is a must-have. Enhance your vehicle's identity, make it unmistakably yours, and drive with confidence knowing you've chosen a product that stands out for all the right reasons. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, revealing more top-rated products that are taking the market by storm. Introducing the number 4 spot in our top 5 best-selling emblems on Amazon, the Emblem Overlay Universal Fit for Toyota Tacoma, Tundra, 4Runner, Camry, RAV4, Corolla, and Highlander accessories. This emblem badge, featuring a sleek matte black finish, is designed with precision to enhance your vehicle's aesthetic appeal. No need to worry about removing the original steering wheel emblems. This overlay fits perfectly, transforming your vehicle's interior without any hassle. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this emblem boasts exceptional abrasion and weather resistance. Chemical resistance ensures it won't fade or deform, no matter the weather conditions. A durable, reliable choice for car enthusiasts who demand the best. One of the standout features is its strong adhesive backing. The premium 3M adhesive covers the entire back, providing a secure fit that won't let you down. For the best results, warming up the adhesive with a heat gun before application is recommended, ensuring an even stronger bond. Installation is a breeze, taking just 2 to 3 minutes. Follow these simple steps. Clean and dry the area. Peel off the adhesive backing, stick the emblem in place, and press for a short time to secure it firmly. It's that easy, making it a convenient upgrade for any Toyota owner. Buy with confidence, knowing that this product comes with a no-risk purchase and a 360-day money-back guarantee. Unlimited technical support and customer service are at your disposal if any issues arise. This is more than just an emblem. It's a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, unveiling more top-rated emblems that are making waves on Amazon. Introducing number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling emblems on Amazon, the Honda Genuine Accessories 75700 TA0A00 Grille emblem for your car. Perfectly crafted to fit the 2008 to 2013 Accord, 2009 to 2011 CR-V, and 2010 to 2012 Cross Tour. This emblem is the epitome of quality and precision. This isn't just any emblem, it's a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and finish that matches your Honda's exact specifications. Imagine the pride of knowing you have a genuine Honda part, manufactured with the highest quality materials. It's a testament to the durability and authenticity Honda owners have come to expect. What sets this emblem apart? Its self-adhesive backing. No need for complicated installations or additional tools. Just peel, stick, and you're good to go. The convenience of upgrading your vehicle's look in mere minutes is unmatched. It's designed for those who value both efficiency and excellence. The Honda Genuine Accessories 75700 TA0A00 Grille emblem doesn't just enhance your car's appearance, it reinforces its identity. The emblem's sleek design and impeccable craftsmanship are a reflection of Honda's commitment to quality and detail. It's more than an accessory. It's a statement of your vehicle's heritage and your appreciation for superior automotive parts. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, revealing the top emblems that are taking Amazon by storm. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling emblems on Amazon? Well, don't be a stick in the mud. Make sure to drive up those likes, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a turn on the road to the best car accessories. Introducing the number 2 spot in our top 5 best-selling emblems on Amazon, the Tailgate Inserts Letters, designed to fit the 2019 through 2024 Chevrolet Silverado. These 3D raised and strong adhesive decals in chrome silver are here to make your Silverado stand out like never before. Imagine driving down the road, your Silverado adorned with these striking 3D raised tailgate letters, perfectly complementing the front grille and rear bumper. The chrome silver finish adds a touch of elegance, transforming your truck into a true head-turner. These inserts are not just about looks, they're about making a statement. Crafted from high-quality ABS, these tailgate letters are built to last. The raised design adds depth and dimension, fitting seamlessly into the tailgate lettering. The quality tape on the backside ensures that these letters stay put, come rain or car washes. You won't have to worry about them falling off or fading over time. This is durability and style combined. Installation is a breeze. In just about 5 minutes, you can elevate the look of your truck. Clean the depressed space, stick the inserts, and make sure everything is aligned before pushing it down firmly. It's that simple. No fuss, no hassle, just a quick and easy upgrade that makes a big impact. And here's the best part. It's a no-risk purchase. If you're not satisfied with the letters for any reason, we offer lifetime support and 24-hour customer service. We stand by our product and are committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction. Enhance your Silverado's appearance with these tailgate inserts letters and experience the perfect blend of style, quality, and ease of installation. Stay tuned as we unveil the top product in our countdown, showcasing the best-selling emblems that are taking Amazon by storm. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 spot in our top 5 best-selling emblems on Amazon goes to the Model Y Accessories for Tesla Emblem sticker, a must-have for Tesla enthusiasts. This 2-piece set in sleek black is designed specifically for the 2020 through 2024 Tesla Model Y, providing a perfect fit and an effortless upgrade. No need to worry about complicated installations or removing the original logo. With this emblem, you simply cover and install. Quick, easy, and flawless. Imagine transforming the look of your Tesla Model Y in mere minutes, giving it a fresh, modern appeal with minimal effort. Crafted from high-quality recyclable ABS, this emblem is not only environmentally friendly, but also incredibly durable. The material ensures long-lasting performance, standing up to the elements without fading. It's a testament to the blend of sustainability and strength, giving your vehicle an edge in both style and substance. One of the standout features is its car wash safe and easy removal design. Unlike ordinary stick and peel stickers, these decals are made of high-quality plastic and adhesive, ensuring they stay put through weather changes and car washes. And if you ever decide to remove them, rest assured there will be no damage to your paint, no unwanted residue, no stains. It's the ultimate in convenience and care for your beloved Tesla. Plus, with a free replacement warranty for 1 year, you can buy with confidence. Should the Model Y cover fall off, you're covered. It's a no-risk investment in enhancing your vehicle's aesthetic and personalizing it to your taste. Experience the pinnacle of automotive accessories with the Model Y accessories for Tesla Emblem sticker. Elevate your ride with ease, style, and reliability. Thank you for joining our countdown of the best-selling emblems on Amazon. Stay stylish, stay exceptional. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling emblems on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.